Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the world of sous chefs. Get ready to uncover the secrets that make this job truly enchanting. Prepare to be captivated. Ever wondered what makes a sous chef's job so intriguing? It's a delicate balance of culinary expertise, creativity, and passion. Let's unlock the secrets together. Secret number 1: culinary creativity. As a sous chef, you have the freedom to unleash your imagination and create culinary masterpieces. From designing unique flavor combinations to experimenting with innovative cooking techniques, the possibilities are endless. Secret number 2: leadership and collaboration. A sous chef is not just a skilled chef, but also a leader in the kitchen. They inspire and guide their team, fostering an environment of teamwork and collaboration. It's a role that requires exceptional communication and the ability to bring out the best in others. Secret number 3: thriving under pressure. The kitchen is a fast-paced, high-pressure environment, and sous chefs thrive in these conditions. They have the remarkable ability to stay calm, make quick decisions, and adapt to unexpected challenges. It's a rush that fuels their passion. Secret number 4: artistry on the plate. One of the most enchanting aspects of being a sous chef is the artistry involved in plating dishes. Every plate is a canvas, and a sous chef creates visually stunning presentations that evoke emotions and leave a lasting impression on diners. Secret number 5: lifelong learning. The culinary world is ever evolving, and sous chefs embrace continuous learning. They eagerly explore new ingredients, techniques, and trends, constantly honing their skills and staying at the forefront of the culinary industry. And there you have it, the secrets that make the sous chef job truly enchanting. If you're passionate about food, creativity, and the thrill of the kitchen, consider pursuing a career as a sous chef. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the culinary world. Stay tuned for our next adventure.